Guys, welcome back to my channel again. This is OBAAPA'S. Guys, wow, what are you seeing? Today we are going to be making Ghana Fula. Aye, so Refi. Okay, oh boy, okay. Yeah, so today we are going to be making Ghana Fula. This is so simple recipe. I remember growing up, we used to enjoy this a lot. So guys, if you want to learn how I made this, it is so simple. You're gonna enjoy this. So let's get started. So first you are going to need millet flour, guys. This one you can get it from African store, and even though if you don't get it from African store, you can just buy the grains one. So you can buy like millet, the grains, okay, and then come home and blend it into a powder consistency, okay. But with the season, I have cloves, salt, paprika, and ginger powder, and they are all half teaspoon each. Yes, you're gonna need that. So guys, right now I have my millet right now, so we are going to season this. So I'm going to add all my seasoning. I'm finding in a gum na efa some mix it then you come and be flour pepper white. And now I have about 1 cup of water, so I am gradually gonna add it and make sure I mix it very well. So guys, don't add too much water, okay? Gradually add it and then mix it. Yeah, so guys, as you can see, my hands is very clean, so don't worry about it, okay? And make sure guys, you don't add too much water. Don't add too much. You want to get like a dough consistency. So make sure you don't add a lot of water, okay? So right now we are going to form it like a ball. Yeah, so we're going to roll it. Make sure your hands are very clean. I am paid James beer. So make sure you roll it like a ball, and then we are going to set it aside. So basically like what I'm doing in the video. So if you want to roll it like a big pieces, you can do it, but make sure you roll it in the way you feel comfortable with, okay? So it doesn't have to be perfect, it doesn't have to be like what I'm doing. Just do whatever you feel comfortable with. Right, so after everything is nicely rolled, it is not done yet. Wait, so now we are going to boil this. Yes, so in the clean pot I have about 6 cups of water. Make sure you add warm water, and we are going to add all the millet. Yeah, so right now it's not Fula yet. Fula so now we're going to boil it for about 30 minutes. Make sure you cover it and then check it and see how it is. So far it's doing good, and then we're just gonna allow it to boil for 30 minutes. So now guys, this is how it's gonna look after you throw the water out, the boiled water out, after you boil it for like 30 minutes. So now I am going to throw it into the blender. Make sure you have a very nice and sharp blender. As we all know, I love my Ninja blender because I use it for a lot of stuff, guys. So yeah, so add all your millet in there. Remember, it's not Fula yet, okay? It's not yet. So now I am going to add about, let's say, another cup of water, because if you don't add water, it's going to be hard to blend like as you see in the video. So just add about half cup of water, and it's going to help it, and it's going to form like a dough. So basically that is what we want. So after you add a half cup of water, you will see a difference, and when you blend it, it's going to form like a dough. Fula pepper. I am so excited, guys, because I never thought I can make Fula. To be frank with you, I like this very much growing up in Ghana, but I never knew that I can make it, so I'm so happy. So guys, this is how it's gonna look after you blend it, okay? So now we're going to transfer it into a clean plate, okay? And at this point, like I said, you can roll it like a big size, whatever size you like. Make sure you roll it. With me, I just want to make it just little pieces, you know. So let's say if I want to eat 1 a day or 2 a day, then I won't waste it, okay? So now I have the leftover millet flour. Yes, make sure guys you don't use all your flour, because this is what you're gonna need to finish at the end. Okay, so make sure you leave just a little bit. Okay, so right now, as you can see in this video, I'm just rolling it like a ball. Aye, and come on in your fit. Why? A drainer would do it. Or say we're gonna come as usual. Alright, now so this is how it's gonna look after you make it like a ball. Yeah, it's not done yet. Somebody will ask, so Obapa, now it's done, so what is the next step? Is that how you eat it? You eat it the way it is? No, it's not. You have to work it. So don't worry, don't stress out. I'm going to show you how to eat this. So now it's Fula, just like the one you buy in Ghana, okay? But remember, when you buy it, they mix it with milk or coconut milk, whatever they have. So in a clean blender, yeah, I'm adding about a half or 1 cup of coconut milk, depending the amount of Fula that you want to make. And make sure you add your sugar. If you add a lot of sugar, you can add small, add it. Don't judge, okay? So now I'm going to blend it into a smooth consistency, like a puree. Yeah. And if you don't have blender, guys, you can use your hands and then you can blend it with me. This is how it's gonna look like. So you can transfer it into your bowl, and now it is done. But guys, you know me, I like my peanuts. Guys, as you can see, the peanuts, they mean cats here, they mean fair near brokra. I would like a guma now. What Numa Frana, Kamana, Fena, open say taking so you can just make it thicker if you want it soft. It's up to you, it's your choice, guys. So, this is how I make my Ghana Fula, the pacho, and your Fula ni, Missy Fula. Yeah, so this is the name of this recipe. You can enjoy it as a breakfast or lunch or snacks. Just enjoy. So this is how I make my Ghana Fula. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. This is how I make Ghana Fula. Thank you for your time. I'll see you on my next video. I hope you enjoy this. Bye bye.